Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìkànnì RMA Baba Yoruba. Welcome to RMA Baba Yoruba. Today we are going to proceed on our greetings. Today's greeting is Ẹ kú ìwọlé. Ẹ kú ìwọlé. When can we use such greeting? We can use such greeting for someone that just resumed to work. Do you have anyone that just resumed to work, probably from holiday or something else? You can simply greet them by saying Ẹ kú ìwọlé. Don't forget, when we make use of ẹ as a prefix in the sentence, it could mean two things. One, we might be using that for a group of people. That is a plural pronoun. Likewise, we can be using it for an elderly person, just an individual, to show respect. Do you wish to learn more? Like, comment, and subscribe.
RMA Baba Yoruba TV.